It's another K-Town beat.
YouTube, it's your boy, Mr. Outliner. I'm back, got another quick little video for y'all. This is really how to use my detailing mist to get crispy lineups. And what I do, you don't need enhancements or nothing like that. If you want to add enhancements, you can always, but I just wanted to give a quick tutorial. This is my Mr. Outliner detailing mist. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to get you some of this detailing mist. Some of y'all probably already got it. So first thing you want to do, you want to spray it, right? Like this is right before you get ready to do the lineup. Now, after you spray it, you want to comb the hair into the desired style that you want it to be, right? You want everything to lay exactly how you need it. After that, the key to making the product work is to let it dry, right? So normally before I do my lineup, I spray the Mr. Outliner detailing mist, and then I do the back of the haircut. It also stops your clippers from getting too hot, so I always do the back last, and then I come back and use my trimmers. But this is a quick tutorial also on how to do a back taper. Just bring it up to like the bottom of the ear for your first guideline, and then you open up your lever all the way open, go up, make another guideline. Now, the key to getting blurry fades, also, I'm gonna drop a couple gems on y'all, is to use light strokes. Light strokes, like don't be heavy handed with it. Actually use light strokes. And then after I come with my lever open with no guard, then I come back and I put my one guard on and I come up a little bit more. And you see how light my strokes are? I'm not digging, right? I'm lightly using this, right? So you see, and I'm not making heavy guidelines or anything like that. I don't want to make my job hard. It's kind of like if you have a lawnmower, if where you at, you cut grass or anything like that, let your clippers do all the work. You just do like the minimum. You don't have to do a lot, right? You just do just a little bit just to get it right. So, and always use two hands. You want to comb the hair down to make sure everything is laying in place. After that, after you use your one guard, you can come back with no guard, and you can start working out anything that doesn't look right to you, like any dark spots or anything you think needs to be smoothed out. You see this right here? I'm still lightly using my clipper, right? I'm not digging, right? I'm detailing at this point. I'm just really just using the corner of my blade, picking my spots, finding what I want. You see it's already blurry, right? Kinda, right? I got a few little spots in there that I still need to hit. But for the most part, you can see how easy it is. And once you get to this point, really, like I say, it's detailing, picking your spots, right? This is the point to where you want to get to where, oh, okay, boom, 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 I can do that, I can hit this, and I can use the corner to do this and that. So boom, you ready, you in the game, right? So that's my little tip, trick for doing tapers or any kind of fade, right? It's not just for tapers, right? But I want y'all to see that. So this is a little better look. This is me putting the finishing touches on it. I like the way it look already. All I have to do is really put that line on it, and voila, he in the game. You dig what I'm saying? But anyway, let's jump back into the lineup part, right? On the other side, I do the same thing. I spray my Mr. Outliner detailing mist, and I put it to the desired style that I want, comb it in, get it ready. But then I turn them to the other side because the other side is what I did first, but now it's dry. So I sprayed it on this side to let it dry also, but now I'm ready for the other side. So now watch this. Watch how crispy this is. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, look here, man. Look here. It don't get no better than that, right? And somebody probably gonna say, oh, that's spritz or something. Man, it's better than that. Trust me. Trust me when I tell you. It's not gonna clog your clippers up. You see what it does. It's not It's not like the other products. I'm telling you, I put my mark on this. Anybody that ever used this product is gonna tell you, oh no, that worked. Straight up, no facts. Even if they hate, they're gonna tell you it worked, right? It's people in the comments can leave a comment down in the comment section that can approve or attest to that. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you want that blade right there, I got that gold blade from Stylecraft, I'm sorry. You can use my code at checkout, Mr. Outliner, no dot, just Mr. Outliner, and it'll give you a discount on you getting it. The blade is the truth. Really don't get hot. Grabs the hair well. Doesn't have to be completely zero gap to hit. My trimmers are not zero gap. And if you've been following me, I've been saying that for a minute. Look at this. He don't really have hair right there. Along with the detailing this blade, look what it does, right? You don't have to have your trimmers completely zero gap all the time to make crispy lines. That's not what makes crispy lines. Crispy lines are also due to technique. I've been doing this for a minute. It's not as simple as me just putting it on there and it make a sharp line. It's a lot that go into your wrist. You gotta have wrist action, how you hold it, where you hold it, the angles, things like that. It's a lot that go into this. It's not just, oh, I'm put that and make a crispy line. No. It ain't that simple. You know what I'm saying? But it's that simple. If that makes sense, right? It's a lot of repetition and practice and wanting to be actually good at what you do. Like me, I wanted to be good at what I do. I noticed that it was a challenge going around about doing straight lineups where your lineups are straight across, right? And things like that. I ain't even use no enhancements on my stuff. Nobody never call me out for no challenge, especially on no lineup challenge, because I know I'll murder the game, right? But at the same time, I don't need enhancements. I've been doing this thing before enhancements, man. I don't need no enhancements, no nothing. I know how to make a line pop, right? That's real, true barbering. When you can do that without all that stuff. Now, you know, yeah, cool. We make extra money off that. We know how to make them look as more of a art than just barbering. So I respect the game. I know how to do it, but at the same time, I can make it pop just like this. And you see the blend gonna pop too. Ain't no thing to it, man. I know, you know, we do this. Boss hog on the arm. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, that's the end of the video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Pick you up a bottle of this Mr. Outliner Detailing Mist. Get you that Stylecraft gold blade if you want to. Use my code. But until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. I'm out.